Hi, welcome to Sophia and Luna channel. Today we are going to do magic fun experiments.
And then also we are going to have a fun things to do. So and also subscribe and like in the channel. Make it fun to things, and we are gonna have something new.
Magic sand. Let's see. Magic sand. We need a measuring cup here.
Yay, I'll take
We need a measuring spoon.
spoon. This right.
We need water. Okay, grab that water, Luna. Good job. And then we need a paper towel right there. And then we need our petri dish right here. Okay, so that's okay. That's we got everything we need right here. Okay. Okay. Let's do this one first. Okay.
I'll do.
Okay, here. Let's.
Do?
Okay, step one. Okay, 50 milliliters.
I be also Omar.
Okay. Careful. Okay, yeah, okay. There you go. Now Luna's turn. Luna, take one scoop out too. There you go. And put it in here into the dish. What's that, guys? Oh, it's floating. It's not sinking, right? Is it floating?
Yeah, it should be floating. Yeah.
It's not sinking. It's not.
Some of them sink.
Oh yes, but look at it. It's got bubbles all over it, right? Why is it that? It's magic. Okay, now we gotta pour that in here. Okay, so we'll slowly pour that in here. Oh look, the sand. Look, the sand is sticking together. Oh, what is that?
So pretty.
That's pretty cool, huh? So it's said to take the paper towel and let it absorb. Wow, that's cool. Did you guys see that?
Yeah. Can you touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it. You want to touch it too, Luna? Yeah. Oh, wow. How does it feel like?
It feels like tickles.
Feels kind of ticklish.
Yes.
Does it stick to your hands?
No.
See, look, you can push on it and you can move it like that.
Okay,
it doesn't,
my turn.
It doesn't. That's pretty cool, huh? Magic sand.
Get down, you guys. Oh, okay.
Okay, that's one magic sand. Let's do something else. You guys can play with that for a little bit. What do you guys? Candle absorbs water, okay? So yes, yeah. I showed you guys to pour just a little bit of water. There you go. And then pour 1/3 of the water into the petri dish. Okay, somebody put a little bit of this drop in there.
Me.
Okay, you just let it drop a few times, okay? Like, don't squeeze, just let it drop. 1, 2, okay, that's good. All right, now let's have Luna do the blue one. Okay, here you go, Luna. You can do the blue one. Okay, squeeze it in there. Oh, it's okay. Come on, drop it in there. Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop.
2. Oh.
Okay, that's good. All right, so we got that. No, don't touch it. The candle absorbs water. Okay. So yes, yeah. I showed you guys to pour just a little bit of water. There you go. And then pour 1/3 of the water into the petri dish. Okay, somebody put a little bit of this drop in there.
Me.
Okay, you just let it drop a few times. Okay, like, don't squeeze, just let it drop. 1, 2. Okay, that's good. All right, now let's have Luna do the blue one. Okay, here you go, Luna. You can do the blue one. Okay, squeeze it in there. It's okay. Come on, drop it in there. Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop.
2. Oh.
Okay, that's good. All right, so we got that. No, don't touch it. Just let it mix. Okay, they want us to stir it. Here. No fighting. Let Luna stir it. Stir it.
Mixy.
Okay, Sophia can stir now. Sophia's turn now.
Okay, Luna, it's my turn. It's purple. Right here, it's rainbow. I like a purple.
Okay, look at that. That's cool, right? All right, now we're gonna light the candle. We're gonna put the candle in the middle. We're gonna light it. Okay. Okay, and now it says to put the cup on top. Where's our cup? I guess we'll use this as our cup. Okay, watch. Oh, look at that. Whoa, what's happening? It absorbed the water. What happened? It's floating. Okay, let's add a little bit more water. Hang on. Let's add a little bit more water. Hang on. What happened there? Why did it absorb the water? Okay, let's do it again. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, put in some water. Okay. Oh no, not yet. Let's just put in some baking soda. Oh, okay, you guys put in here. Hey, Luna, put in some yellow. And Sophia, you put in red. And I'll put in blue. Okay, there you go. Just a little bit. Okay, yeah, just a little bit, Luna. That's it. There you go. I think I put too much.
It makes green.
And then we're gonna put in some. Where's the baking soda?
Baking soda's right here.
Okay, we're gonna put in some baking soda.
Bacon.
Baking.
Bacon powder.
Okay, you guys ready?
Here.
Mix this. Okay, here you go, Sophia. Oh. Okay, that's it. You got it for Luna's turn. See, okay, Luna do that now. You have to squeeze it, Luna. Oh, wow. Okay, let's just do just the baking soda. Just the baking. Okay, what happens when we mix it like this?
Oh my god.
Oh, nose. So what happens when you stir it like that?
I want another spoon.
Okay, Luna, you spin it. Come on. Oh, look at that. Look, it's bubbling. Look, it's bubbling. Okay, Luna's turn to spin it. Here you go, Luna. Come on, pour some in
I
there.
got some in.
Okay, now mix it to the other one. What happened?
Wait, I'll get some water.
Well, what did you do?
Oh, I did black. Dark meat. We can make color for our pet shop to jump in the pool. 60. I'm gonna drop the balloons down. Mix with bubbly. Wow. I'll get the mixer. I want this this. Let's go. Yellow and blue mix green to be. Okay, next. Yellow and blue mix green. Yellow and blue mix green. Add water to mix the and then add blue and Boy. This can be snow. No. I'm gonna do green. Okay, take all of this out.
Cái điều wow nè mà.
Wow, rainbow color. This will be snow for now. Snow blizzard. The snow is still coming from the sky. It's so cold. Oh, there's more snow. Hi everyone. Did you see Kitty and the Flunts are drawn in the snow? Wow, we're scientists. So cool. Where's that Kitty? She's messy. So cold with there she is. Good. Alright, why don't you get out of... Okay, that's very cold. We have to bring Bunny out so we can have some good things too. I hate the blue snow. Yeah, hook son. Smash the snow on the feet. Yeah, hook son, poop.